So hello guys, so today I am going to discuss a trick on remembering that out of these 8 kinds of murmur, which are systolic and which are diastolic. The first keyword that you need to write is TPAM, okay? T for tricuspid, P for pulmonary, A for aortic, M for mitral, okay? Now the systolic murmur can be remembering by writing RSSR under TPAM, okay? So TR PSASMR, tricuspid regurgitation, pulmonary stenosis, aortic stenosis, mitral regurgitation. All of these are systolic murmurs. Next, diastolic, just reverse it. It was RSSR, now it is SRRS. Okay. Diastolic, tricuspid stenosis, pulmonary regurgitation, aortic regurgitation, and mitral stenosis. So this table is actually a part of our PID deep dive physiology, and here I have given details or key details regarding all the types of murmur, right? And some key points regarding them. So if you remember this part only, from here you will be able to somewhat using conceptual understanding will be able to derive the other facts related to this kind of murmurs, right? And if you like this video, make sure you follow this channel and subscribe to this channel, and also gives a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep brainstorming.